Ekor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka India kala Knieh ya ka Kyrdan jong ka Japan, ka babat ya ka Kyrdan basaw kum kari ka balabiang pura ha ka yo ka kot. Ya kani ka Kyrdan basaw ha ka Pyrthei barok way menta labat dak India. Ha bakran ha ka jelang basipho jong ka NITI ayuk u CEO u BVR Subramaniam ula pentikna ya kani baka yo ka kot ka India menta kala day $1 trillion bat kalabat dia ka Kyrdan ka basaw. Ka International Monetary Fund kala yo ilupa ba ka GDP jong ke India mentaw senam arajar arpsan kan poi siya ka 1.2 trillion bat kan tam ya ka Japan. U Subramaniam ulaong ba sa sisien biang ke India kan pet biniabiang ya ka yo ka kot jong ka ha unailar mentaw senam. Ka jingkiyo jong ka yo ka kot ke India ka day namar ka jingklan ha ka khayi ka pateng bat kiway pat kiri ke Pyrthei ya ka bake India ka bat ha ka Kyrdan ka baspo ha ka import lani ban thit mar nabari bat ka bat ha ka Kyrdan ka bapra ban export lani ban shalan mar shabari.
We are the fourth largest economy as I speak. We are a $4 trillion economy as I speak. And this is not my data, this is IMF data. India today is larger than Japan. It's only the United States, China, and Germany which are larger. And if we stick to what is being planned, what is being thought through, it's a matter of another 2.5 to 3 years, we would become the third largest economy. And in this, the reason for the Prime Minister giving this call is this is a long haul and we have to do it for about 25 years. States are fundamental. Be it industrial development, be it services, be it agriculture, be it with human capital, everything has to be done in states.